This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glider launcher. First, understand that a glider launcher uses elastic energy to propel your model aircraft into the air with significant force. This method provides a consistent and powerful launch, often reaching heights of over 100 feet. Building your own launcher is a rewarding project, offering a cost-effective alternative to commercial options and allowing for customization to suit your specific glider models. To begin, you will need several key materials. Acquire about 10 feet of 1 1/2 inch diameter PVC pipe for the main frame. A strong bungee cord, approximately 15 feet long with a pull strength of at least 20 pounds, is crucial for propulsion. For tools, ensure you have a PVC pipe cutter or saw, a drill with appropriate bits, a measuring tape, and PVC cement for secure joints. A simple release mechanism, like a fishing line release, will also be necessary. Now, let's assemble your launcher. First, cut your PVC pipe into sections, 2 3-foot pieces for the base, 2 2-foot pieces for uprights, and 1 4-foot piece for the launch rail. Use PVC cement to securely join these pieces, forming a stable T or H-shaped base with an upright launch rail. Drill a small hole near the top of the launch rail to attach one end of your bungee cord. Install your chosen release mechanism at the base of the launch rail. Before your first launch, prioritize safety. Always operate your launcher in a wide-open field, far from people, power lines, and buildings. Inspect your bungee cord for any fraying or damage before each use. A broken cord can be dangerous. When launching, stand to the side, never directly in front of the glider or the stretched bungee. Pull the glider back smoothly, engage the release, and watch your model soar to impressive heights, often over 100 feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.